let's talk about internship search and strategy. When did you start it? How did you find it?
Okay. So I think when we talk about internship, there are two things which are very important. A, making connections.
Yeah.
You need to talk to people. You need to, even if it's not about, getting a referral, it's not about that. You need to just make that connection with people so
Mm.
that you're comfortable in talking. Because
Mm.
the first thing is you need to be eased up in your communication.
Yes.
The second thing which is important is I would ask you to figure out in your first semester that what you really want to do. Even if you've thought like, okay, I want to do coding, and you come here and you realize you're not good at it, you should not fool yourself saying that, okay, I'll be able to do it.
Mm.
It's
Mm.
okay to change the boat, then going
Mm.
to an end where there's nothing.
Mm.
It's okay. I know it's scary to suddenly change your boat and going into another one, but I have walked that path, and I think even you have. So
Yes. Yes.
safely telling you, if you really want to do something, I think US is an ideal chance. An internship is one of the most idealistic chance for you to change your career path.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
easier to change your career path while you're internship. So
Versus you're doing finding for full time. Yeah.
yeah.
100%. Yeah.
So what I did was I realized that I don't want to code, but I still so I never did lead code. Everybody around me were doing lead code.
Yeah. I never did it as well. Yeah.
Because I never thought, I was never inclined towards doing it. So I thought,
Yeah.
so I made a list
Mm.
that, okay, I want to be a technical program manager. What are the things I require in order to be a technical program manager? So while researching, I realized that TPM is such a role that it differs from company to company. It's
Yes.
very different. So even if you want to go be a project manager or a TPM, you need to know that it's very different for every company. Every company would have different requirements. So you need to go to LinkedIn in your free time. If you really want to prepare for USA, you should go to LinkedIn. That should
Yes.
be your go-to site, and you should see how people have groomed their profiles, what they
Yeah.
have written, what work they do, and that. So I think I worked on LinkedIn. I went on many people LinkedIn and I saw what they do, how they do it, and the initial. So I started quite late. I would advise you to start a little early. I started from in December, which is
Mm.
late. So
Yes.
ideally you should start from October so the pressure doesn't build up.
Yeah.
And so I started in December. I made a list of company where I wanted to apply. And you know what? Sometimes, so I did around 1,000 applications. I remember 100 every day, and that
Wow. Yeah. Yeah.
and that was really frustrating sometimes, because you're doing application and nobody's calling you, not
Yes.
even for interview, and that's a very heartbreaking moment. But that
Mhm.
is the moment you need to stay positive. You just need that
Yes.
one interview and
Yeah.
one right interview. So
Yeah.
all these 1,000 applications would just make something. You will be very happy for all those 1,000
Yeah. It
applications.
was. It will make you feel like it was all worth it.
All worth it. So my routine used to be, I used to attend college, then I used to do my part-time job, then I used to make food, and then application, and then study for the next day, and then sleep. But you know what, this is actually fun, because once you get into this routine, you will realize that it's so good to fall into a routine. And plus,
Yes.
it's such a good feeling when you complete the 10 application target of a day. You feel happy that, oh,
Yes.
I've done. Even if you're not, and then that first call that comes, everybody gets super excited. So I received my first call. I started applying in December. I received my first call by the end of January, and that was a screening round, and I was super excited, because then that first call comes, everybody
Yeah.
just goes like, okay, I have got the job.
Something is happening. Yeah. Yeah. Something
Yeah,
is happening. Yeah.
yeah, something is happening, and that's actually that's a moment itself.